Hi, I'm Alan from Yellow Tuxedo, and today I'm going to be showing you how a session over here on the left works when you're on a Hopin event. Now, our event is the Digital Circus live on the 18th of May 2021, and it's all about showing businesses and brands how to grow online. And we've got some fabulous sessions planned. We're actually calling them workshops, and we have hosts who are going to be in there moderating and showing people how to do lots of things from YouTube, podcasting, mindset, live streaming, and more. And we wanted to show them how it worked, so we thought we'd show all of you as well. So when you're in the event on the day, to access the sessions, you click on Sessions on the left. Here they are. Now, Hopin, very cleverly, they will only show a session 5 minutes before it starts. So none of ours are showing up here yet because the event is on the 18th of May. But no fear, we have a back door into it. So when you click on your session as a moderator or host, you will get to this screen here. And the first thing you're going to do is share your audio and video. And there we go, we're selecting our microphone and our camera, and there's me. Hello, I'm Alan. Now, let's give you a show round of what you get when you're in your session. So first thing to notice that we are going to be recording all of ours because they're going to be shared out with everyone who attends on the day. This one here tells you how many people you've got on video. Now, we're maxing ours at 9 on video because it's maximum 9 to be recorded. Now, very interestingly, they can only come on video after they've requested. So as a moderator, and you want your event organizer to add you as a moderator, if they request, it will pop up down here on the left and it will say, Linda is requesting to come on camera, and you say yes or no. Everyone else who is watching, who's not on camera, will be here. This is how many people are watching your session right here. And you can see that over here on the right-hand side when you select session, and you can see the people in the list who are going to be watching your session, polls, the chat, and that's where people may be asking questions. And, you know, there's other questions that can be asked in here as well if you just want people to specifically add a question there. Now, we have a little bit more functionality in here as well. This is where you can turn your camera off and on. Sorry, I knew that. Your microphone off and then on. It went blank for a moment. You can share a YouTube video or a YouTube live. You cannot share a playlist. So, you know, that might be something if you've got a short video that you want to add to your session or workshop, you can add that there. This is your screen share option. Now, this is really cool because it's going to allow you to do a couple of different things. First of all, it's going to obviously allow you to share some slides, whether that be PDF, Keynote, PowerPoint, something like that. And the second one is you can share a browser from a tab. And that way you can share what would be on the internet or the sound within that as well. And that's very important. And when you screen share, it looks exactly like, you know, it would on a normal screen share, and you can share the entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. Hopin does favor Chrome and Firefox. So here we are, we're just going to share this website. Wow, Yellow Tuxedo look amazing. That's us. And you can just stop sharing here or hide this. Exactly, same as normal. And then you've got your camera and microphone settings here if you want to go back to them. And then when you've finished your session or your workshop, you just click leave up here, like so. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you have an amazing day.